Ito ang aking meal. Sarsyadong itlog with kamatis, pritong tilapia, coconut oil po yan, and also tortang talong. And kanina, pasyente ko, parang nag-general check-up, mag-asawa. Wow! First honor and second honor. Ang tataas ng mga lipid profile, ang tataas ng mga sugar, ang tataas ng mga uric acid, and their ultrasound sa liver, merong indication of fatty liver. Sabi ko, eto lang, you need to change lifestyle if you want to be healthy. So after 3 months, uulitin natin yung mga blood workup. Yung ultrasound siguro after 6 months na. Pero sinimulan ko na siya. Hindi siya a strict low carb, pero in-advise ko, liberal. Kung hindi kaya, mag-liberal. Pero sabi naman, kaya. Kasi ayaw uminom ng gamot. Diba? So, kaya naman. Malalaman natin after 3 months and hopefully, everything will turn out good. Ito po yung mga may mga health conditions. Change ng lifestyle, eat nutritious food, real foods, home-cooked meal preferred. Then do fasting, be active, adapt, and evolve.